The tear length and deepness of articular layer is estimated in the joint. The tear portion is guided with spinal needle. In the subacromial space, the basal layer is intact with mild attenuated tendon tension. In the subacromial space, the mini incision is created longitudinally with sharp bistoury on the basal layer. The mini incision is the passage of the instrument from the subacromial space into the joint. In the joint, a double-loaded suture anchor regarded as middle anchor is gently passed through the mini incision and inserted into the footprint. In the joint, the medial aspect of basal layer is pierced by spinal needle with PDS suture. The PDS suture is retrieved out of the body from anterior portal. The knot puncture with suture strand will be delivered from the subacromial space into the joint through the mini incision. The PDS and suture strand are retrieved out of the body from anterior portal. The suture strand is brought back percutaneously into the subacromial space by pulling another lamp of PDS suture. The other suture strand will undergo the same procedures. The four medial strands are all passed through the articular cable, alternating between blue and white. The four medial strands are attempted to cover the mini incision. Another double-load suture anchor, regarded as lateral anchor, is implanted in the lateral border of great tuberosity, where the anatomical reduction of mini incision can be achieved with middle sutures. The mini incision on the basal layer is apparent in the subacromial space. A blue strand from lateral anchor and a white strand from medial anchor are retrieved. The two strands are extracorporeal tied over an instrument. Double pulley suture bridge is generally delivered into the subacromial space. The first set of double pulley suture bridge is created. The desired tendon tension can be obtained by pulling on the other side strand. The other side white and blue strand are retrieved through the lateral portal. The other side white and blue strand are tied firmly with knot puncture in the subacromial space. Four sets of double pulley suture bridge can solely cover the mini incision while powerfully compress the tendon against the footprint. Anatomical reduction and tension of the retouched articular layer are assessed in the joint. Thank you very much.